Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to use WhatsApp web on Android. So maybe if you have any issues using WhatsApp with the application, you can of course use the cloud web version of it. So in your browser, just go into your search bar and type in WhatsApp. Alright, and in here we're looking for a web version, so you type in WhatsApp web. Alright, so you go to the website. In here of course let us log in. Also guys, don't forget to go three dots and make sure to choose desktop site. Otherwise you won't be allowed into the web version. So let us log in. Alright guys, now you just pretty much need to log in. Alright, and after this, as you can see, we have successfully logged in. So as you can see, this is my phone. This is not the PC or nothing like that. Not a laptop or anything else. This is on the phone. Just guys, once again, don't forget three dots and desktop side. Remember to enable the desktop side and the version that pretty much converts the mobile to desktop version. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.